Any suggestion on how to find remote work or freelance work? Well, number one, and maybe the only one I could recommend is you have to have a social media presence. Just like I do, I'm out there. Especially right now with Clubhouse. I just got into Clubhouse, and I get in rooms and try to answer questions and make yourself, I guess, available or present in social media. Believe it or not, I get a lot of requests, even though I'm not looking and I don't do freelance work right now anymore. I get a lot of questions or offers about taking on projects, and obviously I do turn them down. But just, that kind of goes to show you that just because I'm out here, I'm not asking for work, but, a lot of opportunities come across. I think something that I really truly believe is that you have to put yourself out there. I used to think, maybe 3 years ago, I wanted to, I guess, look for opportunities, but at the same time, I was such an introvert that I didn't want to put my face in front of a camera or even take pictures or post or anything. I think something you need to do is you got to put yourself out there, and there's no way around it.